Let's go. What's up? It's your boy DB Live in the building, and welcome to Marketing with Dom. Please make sure you hit that little subscribe button because that makes the channel better and the content gets better and we get to do better things and more have fun, right? I like this.
Better.
So, hey, join the team, and learn better things.
Better.
What's up? Better? What's up? Introduce yourself. You're gonna say what's up.
Hi, I'm Megan, aka Cinnamon. Welcome.
He's like, I can't help but give you that.
Do I seem natural?
Is this what it's gonna be? Yeah. So basically, this is the new age generation of what they are considering the game changer of OnlyFans, right? And so I wanted to ask her a few questions because I wanted to show you somebody who works with me, who I manage, as well as who's helped me build this business called the Bunny Agency to actually change the whole way the industry is being done and giving people an opportunity. Why did you do OnlyFans? Like, what is that for you?
I do OnlyFans because there's just it's fun and there's so much opportunity in it, and I get to do whatever I want whenever I want. Like, me hard at work is like me hanging out with my friends, taking pictures in clothes that I have to take pictures for these brands that send me clothes. Oh, pardon me.
Right. That's. So that's the crazy. So the crazy cool part about that is in reality is this platform styles of how people have been able to do it. However, they own or run the platform. They've had opportunities to kind of change the way that they're working, doing business. Because social media means a lot to your business. I'm assuming, right? Like, a lot of girls get into the platform. They have to grow a social media account, right? What do you have to say about somebody trying to grow a social media account in the OnlyFans and or just in general, a Instagram?
Message shout out pages every day asking to post you, and if they tell you that you only do paid promotions, why not invest in yourself and do a paid promotion and pay for it,
Exactly.
So that's what I do.
Yeah, see, so I think a lot of times we have to realize is that there's a lot of rejection in that too as well.
Yeah.
Right? How many people say no is more than the people that say yes.
Yeah, so many brands tell me no. So many people tell me no all the time, and I'm like,
No.
But for every 10 people that say no, someone will say yes eventually.
Yeah, that's true. That's
just gotta wear them out.
Be persistent. So do you just only look at it? Do you only DM them, or do you also email with them too?
I email too. A lot of brands prefer, and people just prefer if you email them in general.
Oh snap! That is true. So if you're out there right now, you heard it straight from her mouth. Email it out. I'm just kidding. In this platform that we've been able to build, the Bunny Agency, I was going to chat about that because I think it's important for the people to know. If you're following this, subscribe down below because we need you and you need us, right?
Mm-hmm.
To be part of the team.
Yes.
The more the merrier. Help us out. Basically, so the agency is here to do one thing: is to give educational information to people on the OnlyFans platform, to actually get what they need to know about growing their platforms on social media, as well as using the platform to do things like discounts, deals. How do you actually get more and more shout-out pages to do your shout-outs? What kind of content do you send? What kind of conversation do you have?
Oh, you could send shout-out pages private content. That's what I like to do. Some pages, instead of you paying them, if you just send them your private content, your OnlyFans content, then they'll post you, and they won't post your private content. They'll just use it for themselves. So you could
do an exchange for a free trial on the OnlyFans platform.
If you may.
Barter, if you may. It's do what you must if you want to win. That's pretty much in any business in the world.
Sex sells, baby.
It's like it all is the entertainment. So we're really stoked because now
I thought you said stoned.
No, we're pretty stoked because now she gets to also train and talk about the things that she's learned on the platform, and then I get to talk about all the tech stuff that I do and why they call me tech support.
And together we're a dream team.
Dream team tech support, right there. So I do all the tech stuff. I love traffic, social media shit. That stuff is exciting, and the process. And as an entrepreneur, the OnlyFans industry itself is an opportunity that people just naturally don't see, but it also can change people's lives. I'm literally seeing girls making $5,000 to $10,000 a month, changing their lives, and it's why some people take the path, some people don't. It's up to them. There's so many different ways people do adult content. Some people do, some people don't. So it really just depends on what you're taking the opportunity of. But either way, you make money, but hey, the adult industry goes smashing. It's crushing.
Yeah.
It's crushing. Low key, like, I gotta be truthful with you guys. You guys are my fans, right? So I'll tell you to be real. We're all gonna be real. The industry of the adult industry is crushing the business. And like even OnlyFans itself isn't producing that much content to actually help people grow on the platform. So we decided we're stronger together than we all are.
Let's go.
Let's go. So why do you? So like even with the team. So like now you work with a team, and that's the question I ask her because she calls me all the time asking questions. That's how I know
Every single
it's better
day.
to work with the team. So what is the best thing from working with a team from when you work by yourself to then now having everyone around you kind of on board, know what you're doing, and like you're out there trying to build something now? It's a long ass question.
Okay. I'm prepared to answer it. Okay.
You're prepared?
Yeah, I thought about it.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
So I think working on a team is it's better because you get to support each other and build each other up. And I don't feel so like alone and like if I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. But now if I don't know what to do, like I call you.
Yeah.
You
Like,
know?
what do we do now? Like, let's figure this out.
I have someone, to like figure it out with me. Like
You
before,
know.
I would just be stuck and there would be no getting out of it. It was frustrating.
So that is cool because I mean the platform is an opportunity for everybody to win, and that's one thing that we all know now is because it's like what's the difference between that and building like a regular YouTube channel that's powerful as fuck, but you automatically have a subscription? What? So like whatever you're selling on the back end, like you are creating your own personal brand and style and stuff like that. So that is. It's like its own business model. It's like building a YouTube channel. It's like building, an Instagram that used to make a tremendous amount of money. So you gotta put money in your business, if I'm not correct, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's one thing that's important is that you gotta understand if you use it as a business and you put money into the business, you can grow the business. That's true. That's true. But yeah, hey, so long story short, we're gonna cut out on this one, and I want to say thank you for shooting with us. Thank you for. I feel dead right now. Listen, guys. I had a dab before this, so I don't want you to leave this page. But why is he not popping? I'm popping in my insides.
We're popping. I think we're popping.
I'm like down, like chilling. Listen, just chill with your boy. But hey, listen.
I'm pretty high.
But check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe to the page. Appreciate you guys for listening. If you guys have any questions or comments, please comment down below. Make sure you catch the bunnyagency.org to get all the free traffic that you need. I don't know why I said traffic, but what you're gonna get.
I just cracked my neck.
I can't figure out my life in this moment, okay? I'm gonna figure this out. We're gonna end this video, and this is what's gonna happen. Alright, so everyone have a blessed day. You gotta say bye too, because we gotta get out of here.
Okay. Bye.
We'll see you on the other side. And if you follow us or if you're in the fucking
subscribe.
Oh yeah, though.